Good afternoon, Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. I want to do a video walkthrough on this Boston Whaler 330 Outrage. It's a 2018 year model. Just start here at the front. We've got a stainless steel plow anchor on the windlass. That's an option. It is set up for the tender toe bridle. You got rod holders up here. That also doubles as your bow sunshade. Check out that huge lounge seat. I'll pop open the storage below, call it a basement, but there's a ton of storage on the 330 Outrage. One of my favorite fishing boats that Whaler makes. Just a good all-around solid platform, good performer. This boat's equipped with Mercury 350 horsepower engines, roughly 225 hours. White hull, just had recent ceramic coating on it. It looks and shows and feels great. I've got a flip down bolster seat here, spinning around, transom door. You got a cockpit shower, ladder there, dive door with boarding ladder, two large in-deck fish boxes. Take a look at the photos for that. Down below is the bilge. There's also a cockpit table that's kept stored in there. Underneath this seat, it's a large live well, and then this flips down and converts into a table. Up at the helm, check out the Boston Whaler emblems. Upholstery's in great shape. Flip down bolsters, armrest. Cruising in style. Check out the stainless steel refrigerator. Flipping up to the helm, first thing I want you to notice is this boat is equipped with the joystick piloting. So it's going to give you autopilot, skyhook, and obviously the benefits of joystick docking all right in one. Digital throttle and shift, engine sync, link of trim tabs with LED indicator. Just push the button and run down. Go light, remote spotlight. Check this out. The boat is equipped with the FLIR infrared thermal imaging. Up on top, we've got two large Raymarine displays, the largest that you can fit on this boat. It is equipped with the upgraded transducer. Got active trim, fusion stereo. Scrolling across, you can see everything's well labeled and they're not faded and turning white. You can read everything. It's been kept undercover on a lift. The boat shows extremely well. There's your electronics box. Got the tracking up there. This boat is equipped with a full canvas enclosure that's in great shape. Bolsters are all in good shape. Down the console, you've got the vacuum flush head, sink, some storage below. There's your ladder for the dive door coming up. Huge lounge cushions, flip down armrest. This pops open. Ton of storage down here. There's your bow sunshade. There's also the optional transom sunshade. There's your covers for your cushions and consoles. Got index storage here. Storage underneath this cushion as well. And then under that hatches for your anchor windlass controls and wash down for up there. Walking through on the port side, again, bolsters are all in good shape. Nice wide decks. It's easy to maneuver around. You're fighting a fish. Plenty of room to get around. Huge fish boxes, 5'10". They could lay down on the fish boxes on either side. Both sides are macerated. I've got a flip down step here if you're running and want the extra visibility. There's our dive door again. Again, these motors were just serviced, had 200-hour service, new water pump impellers, plugs, the whole 9 yards. Boat is still under warranty for the next 3 years. Got an extended protection plan. Fish box here in the transom. Does have a pump, so live well, transom live well. Plenty of rod holders, plenty of under gunnel storage. So really nice 33 Outrage, folks, 2018. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video. If you got any questions, give me a shout, 910-264-4818. Again, 910-264-4818. Thanks for watching the video.